Kinds, welcome back to our channel Be Kind. It's the start of a beautiful morning. It's 7 o'clock and I've been waiting for this day since like January. We are going to watch Messi play today and it's going to be one of the best days of my life. I was really looking forward to him play live. I've been his biggest supporter since I was in college and I've grown up watching him play. So watching him in Toronto with Kriti is going to be an amazing experience. But before we do that, there is another match that I am playing in. It's part of my cricket team. So I will just get ready and go and play our match, hopefully win that, and then go and watch Messi play. So it's going to be a fun experience and we'll take you along. Let's go.
Shrey is prepping for tomorrow's match. A special thing.
Painting after many years. So I'm all ready to go to my match. And Kriti will pick me up after while we are going to watch Inter Miami versus Toronto. This is the poster that I have made. So this means, can you give me your jersey in Spanish? And here I have Messi is equal to GOAT, which is greatest of all time. So I hope he sees it and I hope I get a chance to see him up close and personal. So we are going for our last match of the season. The weather is about 7 degrees, so it's a bit chilly outside. Gagan, are you looking forward to the match?
I'm looking to score a half century today.
A half century today, okay. I'm hoping to get some wickets. We'll see how the match goes. But after that, I'm more excited for the Inter Miami match. Did you see my poster?
I think that's factually incorrect.
He's a Ronaldo fan, so he doesn't like Messi.
Because there's only one goal, that's CR7.
Okay, so the weather is good, it's sunny, but it's a bit chilly, so we'll now reach the ground and have a good match. We won our cricket game, now we are going to support Messi.
I am also supporting Messi for the night because I support my brother as well.
Very good.
Like you can see. fan of Shrey.
Okay, now we are all ready, we'll go.
Have fun!
Thank you.
So guys, we won the cricket game and now we are going to BMO Field. I booked these tickets back in January as soon as they opened, but the day started really well. We won the match, I took 3 wickets. So it's been a good start and I hopefully the day ends well as well. But yeah, so Kriti just came to pick me up and now we are rushing to the next adventure. Downtown traffic is always there, especially on a weekend. But we are quite in time. The match starts at 4. We are reaching at around 2 p.m.
2 hours early.
Yeah, so we'll be quite comfortable.
Very.
Find our seats, enjoy our lunch, and wait to welcome the god of football. Guys, we came here, we just parked our car and the vibe is so good. Like there are small kids playing football, watching and wearing Messi kids. And now we're going to see if the players, we can catch a glimpse of the players while they enter the stadium. But we are glad that we have been able to come here early and get a parking. So now let's go and find Messi.
Where's the Karthik?
Excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this day for like many months and now it's finally here.
And we have the best view.
Yeah, look at our view.
Today's match presented by Pro jersey. Sergei Kripsov. Number 32, Noah Allen. Number 33, Toronto FC. When I wake up. Inter Miami substitutions in the 61st minute. Coming out of match number 41, David Ruiz, replacement number 5 is Sergio Busquets. Coming out of match number 16, number 2. He's replaced by number 10, Lionel Messi.
Watching Messi live.
for being the best fans in the league.
So guys, we just came back. It was such an amazing experience. Like, I am awestruck. I've never experienced something so awesome in my life. We spent the day like a quiet weekend. Shrey went for his cricket match and then I picked him up from his field and then we drove all the way to the BMO field. That's where the craziness started. As soon as we entered, we saw a lot of fans wearing Messi hoodies, carrying FC Barcelona hoodies. There were little kids playing around wearing those cute little Messi hoodies. So I could see the craze and I got super excited seeing that. There was a buzz going around that the players are coming in the bus.
Messi, 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 Messi.
So everyone went crazy and they were standing and waiting for the players' bus to come in. So I think we also spent, I would say, 20 minutes there waiting for the players and to see the glimpse of the greatest person. But there were a lot of security and we couldn't see much. And then we went inside the stadium. As soon as we went in, I was so amazed by our seats. I think Shrey did an amazing job by getting us the best view. It was under the shade. It was perfect. I mean, the view, the weather, the vibe was just so good. There was a sort of like a doubt that Messi might not play at all and he would be sitting down at the bench as a substitute, and I was so sad about it because first of all I don't follow football as much like how Shrey does, and Messi is like his god. He was almost in tears by the end of the whole, he was literally crying because he was so happy to see Messi is his most loved person, like he loves him the most after our parents and me, I hope. But yeah, but I think he has seen Messi earlier and he saw it this time and he was like quiet after that, and I was trying to figure out what's happening. I think he got emotional seeing him play, and I think there were other FC Barcelona players also playing, so he had his fun time. There were like all 3-4 players that were playing, and I think it was the best day for Shrey and for me because I love Messi. My brother also loves Messi, so I know Messi through him as from my childhood, and after I married Shrey I got to know more and more about him, and I know he's the greatest person all, and I could see him live. I was just like, what, this is crazy. Like, I have never experienced something so amazing. And for you guys it might look, I'm over exaggerating, but for me it was just amazing. I was trying to zoom in on him and take as many pictures and videos. My camera is filled with his pictures because I was just like, wow, this is the best thing that we could ever experience together.
If you follow any sport, and if you're a fan of a person for such a long time, for me it's been like 15 years. So getting to see him in person, and this was the second time that I saw him live, but the first time was back in 2017, so I was in a different phase of my life, and now watching him with Kriti, I was kind of remembering all the moments that I've watched him play. Like, I've grown up watching him play, and like all those moments were coming back to me because he has been such an influential part of my life. So it was an amazing experience. For me, the craziness started yesterday when I was painting that sign. And that sign was such a big hit. All the people were coming up to me and saying, can we click pictures with your sign? More than 15 people would have gotten pictures with my sign. I can't describe how I was feeling. I was just watching him throughout the match, like not focusing on what's going on around the field. I was just watching him and just his movements, because then that is a memory that I know will stay with me forever. Like the match that I saw in 2017, I spent a lot of dollars for that, but like that memory for me is still there, as fresh as maybe I saw it yesterday. And now this memory, watching it again with Kriti, like this is a moment that I will forever remember. It's hard to describe.
He's out of words. He was so quiet after the match ended, and he was just, you will see in the videos, he's like enjoying the moment.
As a Barcelona fan, I have a tattoo here, so that tells you the amount of passion I have for the club. So a lot of other players like Jordi Alba, Sergi Busquets, Luis Suarez, all of them were on the field and they have been my childhood idols. So like, I can't even tell you how happy I am today. I'm having a good night's sleep.
Yeah, he had his best experience ever, and so did I. Even though I don't follow football or sports that much, but for Messi, I think I have a special place in my heart too, and it was like the best experience ever to see him live. I've never clicked a picture or stalked someone so much through my phone as I did today. I was like literally zooming in at 15x on my phone, trying to capture as much as I can of him.
Just saw his bodyguard in that.
Yeah.
And then he was also in action. So there were a few streakers that came on the pitch.
Yeah,
Pitch
4 of them.
invaders. Yeah. So there was one cute kid
Yeah.
that came first. And Messi clicked a picture with him, and the
Yeah.
kid went out like this. Like, must
think
have
his
been the
life-
happiest day for his life for
His
sure.
life was made.
Yeah, I'm sure he will remember it for the rest of his
Forever,
life.
I think.
But then there were 3 other grown people that came, which is really stupid to do.
Yeah.
They were obviously
Banned.
blocked by his bodyguard.
Yeah, so I was seeing his bodyguard's video yesterday, or I think day before yesterday, on Instagram, and I was surprised by how fast he runs and how he doesn't even let the fans touch him like this, and he was moving their hands. And to see him in action, I was like, wow, this is the best thing ever. Like, I could see him run so fast. For 4 times continuously, he was making sure Messi is protected. So that was crazy. Like, I was seeing him literally in my phone. I think I manifested that. I wanted to see that in live, and I saw it, and I had so much fun. I want to thank Canada and Toronto. Because
Yeah.
of that, this wouldn't be possible if we were back in India. We would had to travel all the way to Europe or somewhere else to see this and experience this, and today we could experience this in Canada and in Toronto. We
Yeah.
also saw the Toronto FC team. So I was telling Shrey that if Messi is not playing, that's what I'm going to support, because that's my home. But as soon as Messi entered, I switched my interest and I moved
Loyalties.
to loyalties, and I moved to supporting Messi.
Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you enjoyed it, do hit the subscribe button so that you can follow us and our journey as we settle in as new immigrants in Canada. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again. Take care and goodbye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.